to that McDonald's by our house today. It is so nice inside.
Is it?
Just opened yesterday.
Do something cool
Do something
for the fans.
Yeah. Your channel.
You put me on the spot. Just concentrated on driving and stopping. The brakes still aren't the best.
So how does it feel to be in this car with your wife and daughter for the first time ever?
That's true.
That is true.
Your mom and I
to the
used to
cemetery.
buzz around.
They're already.
Nice.
The wipers don't work. And I have to have the headlights disconnected or else they stay on when you slam the door.
And the turn signal.
The turn signals work fine.
Hi.
And the brake lights work.
I thought you said.
Our younger daughter is with us and recording right now. The cemetery you see here is where she and her sister both learned how to drive, but neither have ever been behind the wheel of the 210.
Nice.
Check out how cool this person looks driving.
Watch out. Watch out. I feel like I'm learning to drive again.
Yeah, that's where she learned how to drive. And that's the first time she's ever driven this car. It's pretty freaking awesome.
It is pretty
It is freaking awesome.
Should have brought sunglasses.
The sky is beautiful.
Oh, take a hard left.
Okay, then we should probably head back.
Can I drive it once around the corner?
Of course.
Park it. Just kidding. Remember that one time that I went over and popped the tires
Oh, that was a good memory.
at a mirror, I don't know, 13.
There will be more videos and more new memories as the 1982 Datsun slowly returns back to the land of the living. For now, I'll keep recording images of it in favorable lighting conditions. Just before sunset is always flattering. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.